Good morning everyone and welcome to Storytime with Kate. Today I'm going to talk about scarves. Have you ever seen these beauties? Silk scarves or cotton gauze are beautiful open-ended materials that are considered to be open-ended materials or resources for imaginative, creative play. A scarf can become a blindfold, it can become a cape, it can become a dress up. You can wrap a baby doll, you can create a little swing for any imaginary friend that you have, or you can use it in many ways, shapes and forms. So they have a unique soft texture, and once I observed a group of toddlers, they just enjoyed the sensory feeling of the scarves. Scarves also come in different colors. Look at this beauty. I have more than 50 colored scarves, and when I put them out for a group of toddlers or preschoolers, they love to use them in the way they want. Of course, scarves initially were created for dancing. For example, you can give children scarves and introduce the concept of color. They can wave them in the air, create beautiful dancing movement. Songs that are suitable for this kind of movement would be Sugar Plum, Fairy, Carnival of Animal, any classical musical dances like The Flight of the Bumblebee. But basically any music can be enriched through the use of these beautiful scarves. Of course, scarves are fantastic for creating dress ups, as I was saying. For example, I might use scarves in my stories to pretend I'm an old babushka or an old lady. You also can create an immediate stage with the scarf. So this way you can start using finger puppets and perform a short finger play like this if you have finger puppets. So this also can be used in decoration of play spaces. For example, I use this for creating rivers because it's blue. I bought orange for creating deserty look, yeah. And I have this beautiful lilac color that just encourages children to look at this play space because it's inviting. The other thing that children do with scarves, and that's very important to talk about, is schema or learning to think. So cognitive development is an important part of development of a child. So child learns to think, and according to Jean Piaget, children develop it through the use of schema. So this scarf, for example, when they open it, they see how big it is, yes. So and they unfold it, and it's also kind of mathematical learning, as you can see. So you are unfolding something and folding something. But then what they do as babies and toddlers, they cover things. First they cover themselves like this and play peekaboo, yeah. And that's a creation of object permanence, yeah. And learning about that object doesn't disappear even when they are covered with something or you can't see them anymore. They also start to cover toys, and this schema is called enveloping. So it's quite an interesting and amusing thing to watch, but of course it does show deep learning. So I have lots of beautiful scarves. Have a go and try some and tell me how did you go and whether children enjoy it. So these are my beautiful silk scarves. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe.